Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix lag in PUBG Mobile. So first, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Next, close unnecessary apps running in the background to free up your phone's resources. Then open PUBG Mobile's graphics settings and lower the graphics quality or frame rate if your phone is struggling to maintain performance. Then make sure the game is updated to the latest version, and you should also restart your phone and make sure it has enough free storage. If your phone is overheating, then let it cool down before playing again, since high temperatures can affect performance. And for connection-related lag, avoid crowded networks and check whether other devices are using a lot of bandwidth. So that was how to reduce PUBG Mobile lag in 2026. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.